Heads up, your window's gonna be broken.
Sometimes a sovereign citizen interaction on the roadside becomes a game of chicken between the officer and the subject. Is the officer really going to take out my window? Well, this person finds out very quickly that in the state of Florida, if you play the sovereign citizen game, you're likely going to lose the game of chicken. This is one of those.
How's it going?
Pretty good. So the reason I stopped you,
Yeah.
all right, the tag on this car expired more than a year ago.
The tag on the car? What tag?
The license plate from New York.
I'm a fan of the passenger side approach. I say it on my videos. Lots of view inside of the passenger side compartments. A lot of safety things.
Expired in 2023. You got your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance?
Pretty sure license doesn't expire, for one. For two, there's no injured party, so I haven't committed any crime. For three, I don't carry my driver's license on me. I carry a passport on me.
I'm aware. Send me 94. All right, can I get your passport then?
You can look at it, but you can't hold on to it.
Ding, ding, ding. Sovereign citizen, injured party, passport, no license, not wanting to roll the window down. We know that we're dealing with sovereign, and he does too. That's why he requested another unit.
Roll the window down.
No.
All right, man. So this can go one of two ways. It can go really bad for you, or we can just have a good, normal conversation.
We are having a normal conversation, and I've committed no crime. There's no injured party.
From an officer safety perspective, I will always mention the firearm hand being occupied while interacting with the person who's non-compliant is not a good idea.
Okay.
I have no need.
But the license plate on the vehicle expired over a year ago is what I'm saying.
What's the problem with that?
Well, it's expired out of New York by more than a year. That's the problem.
What's the problem with that? There's no crime being committed. There's no injured party.
308, 403, you might want to start heading this way. All right, man. So you don't carry your driver's license with you?
No,
Why not?
I have no need to.
Why wouldn't you need to carry your driver's license with you? It's required by law.
I don't commit crimes. I don't need to identify myself. I didn't even need to show you this. I did that as a professional courtesy for you. What do you think you're doing?
All right, buddy.
You're the one that's going to make your night bad.
You're 100% about to go to jail. I'm trying to be as cool with you as I can.
100%. Excuse me, I have a valid Florida license.
Yes, but you're not cooperating in this traffic stop investigation as required.
Sir, I am not. I am a 0% chance going to jail tonight.
Okay.
I've committed no crime. People go to jail when they commit crimes. I have committed no crime.
Stay right here. You're not free to leave. 308, 403. It's going to be a sovereign situation over here, just so you're aware. Hey, Newer, go around the other way and stop in front of him.
Move my car.
All right. Michael, ran your driver's license. It ain't no good, man.
What do you mean it ain't no good?
It's not good. It's got suspended.
Sir, my license is not suspended.
It 100% is suspended. I just ran it.
Show me, because my license
All right.
is not suspended.
Step on out. I'll be happy to show you.
No.
I can't
My
show you right
I
now.
have a valid Florida license.
You don't.
Yes, I do.
You do not.
I 100% do.
You don't. You got a license out of...
You have the burden of proof to show me that I can.
Yeah, and I'll be happy to show you. All you got to do is step out for me.
You can print out that paperwork and send it through this little slot.
Nope.
This guy's delusion is 100% real, and it's ridiculous that an adult human male acts in this manner. On the side of the road is not the time to argue with the officer about whether your license is suspended or not. It's just baffling that adults continue to act this way.
Show me, unless you have something to show me otherwise. I've committed no crime.
You're committing multiple crimes right now.
I am not committing multiple crimes. I have, at most, a traffic violation. That's it.
You're committing several traffic violations, and you're driving without a valid driver's license. So
I am driving with a valid driver's license.
you are not. So I'm asking you again, step out of the vehicle.
And I'm telling you now that I have committed no crime.
I'm now ordering you to step out of the vehicle.
And I am politely refusing.
Okay. My sergeant's on the way. I'm going to give him a chance to speak to you as well, and you can see if we can come to some sort of resolution right now.
The resolution is, if you have a legitimate paperwork showing, because any fines, any traffic fines, I've had no severe issues. I got pulled over for those plates like a month or two ago. I paid off that fine. I have no suspended license.
If I got pulled over for whatever reason and the cop tells me that my license is suspended, now I know in my mind that I've done nothing wrong and I know that my license is valid. The officer says to me, Sergeant Curtis or Christopher Curtis, your license is suspended. I'm gonna say, well, that's really strange. I don't know why it would be suspended. And I'm not gonna think the cop made it up. But this arguing back and forth on the side of the road is not gonna make any sense. Okay, the cop gives you a ticket for suspended license and your license is not suspended. When you go to court, they're gonna tell you, okay, your license was suspended, the officer was wrong. This is not a win for this driver.
Either you're lying,
Which I'm not.
then you have the burden of proof to show me.
Okay, then step on out and I'll be happy to show you, like I said.
Print it out and send it through my file.
That's not what's gonna happen.
Well, then I'm not getting out of the car.
I say it in so many videos, and this has not been mentioned here, but Pennsylvania versus Mim, the Supreme Court case, which says that officers can ask a person to step out of the vehicle for officer safety, and they have to step out of the vehicle for officer safety.
See, in order for a crime to be committed, there needs to be an injured party.
Hey, well, in this case, that would be the state of Florida would be the injured party.
It's not injured by me driving. I was driving the speed limit, as you were aware, because you were driving slower than me. I've injured no person. The state of Florida is not injured by my driving. So, you're full of shit.
308-403, how far out are you? Just stand up there. We can do the instruction now or wait for you, but he ain't gonna come out without force. Why would I lie to you about your license being suspended?
Why do people lie about anything? I have no business knowing why you're going to lie to me. My license is valid. Why would I step out of the car when I've committed no crime?
Well, like I said, you've committed multiple crimes since we've been sitting here,
I've
but
committed 0 crimes.
you're refusing a lawful order to exit your vehicle.
That's not
It's a crime.
That's not a crime.
Driving without a driver's license.
I have a driver's
That's a
license.
crime.
That's not a crime.
You're driving with tags that are expired by over a year, and a vehicle that you admit has not been registered in this state. That's a crime.
That's not a crime.
It is a
Traffic
crime.
violation.
So this seems like it's a really protracted, long, drawn-out process. Some squads, the sergeant, they'll wait for the sergeant to get there before they do the extraction. Sometimes a department may have the policy that if they're going to do an extraction from a vehicle that the sergeant has to be there. But that might be the reason why it's happening here. I don't know for sure because I don't know the policy of this jurisdiction, but I know that they are waiting for the sergeant.
That's a traffic violation.
Not as long as these tags have been expired and that you live here. That's an unregistered motor vehicle in this state, which is a crime.
Is that a misdemeanor or a felony?
Doesn't matter.
If it's a traffic violation, it's not a criminal offense.
Yes, there are criminal traffic violations.
Is it a misdemeanor or a felony?
It's a misdemeanor.
It's a misdemeanor.
It doesn't matter if it's a misdemeanor or a felony. So,
If it's only a traffic violation, it's not a crime. And if there's no injured party, it's not a crime.
well, like I explained, the state would be the injured party on these offenses.
I didn't injure the state of Florida.
I've been nothing but cordial with you. If you don't want to cooperate, then what happens next is what happens next, all right?
Sir, I
So-
need you to show me the suspended license.
And I asked you to get out of the vehicle.
I have no reason to get out of the vehicle.
So,
You have a reason to show me and my license is suspended.
Just want to mention again, these types of crossfire situations are really, really challenging, especially since this light here could potentially blind the officer that's on the driver's side and he can lose his night vision, just from a tactical perspective.
would you like Newer's car removed? Would you like Newer's car out of the way, or you want to leave it there?
Let's move that out of the way.
Hey, Newer, move your car.
Okay, sergeant has arrived. Hopefully this is a sergeant shutdown situation. We'll see.
I understand that you have been given a lawful order to exit your vehicle, and you are not complying with that. You are under arrest. All right.
All right.
Let's move them out. Unlock your door and step out for me, please. Unlock your door and step out for me, please. You are under arrest. You are under arrest. You are under arrest.
Sebastian, move.
Step out of your vehicle. You will be removed. Okay, that is a verbal no and a head shake no. Heads up, your window's going to be broken. Mr. Murad, your window's going to be broken.
Get out of the car!
Get out on the ground. Put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. That was stupid.
I have a
That was stupid.
Right there.
You understand that was stupid?
You can see clearly here the officer securing the firearm that the suspect had on his person at the time that they took him into custody.
Getting my glasses off.
You weren't getting your glasses, you were getting your gun.
Sir, look at my shirt.
You were getting your
I
gun.
was not getting my gun.
Don't move.
I'm I'm not.
This type of situation has to be trained more by law enforcement, because you saw them ask, should we put that car, move this car, or how do we approach, what tool are you using? I've said it before that I've been approached by defense attorneys talking about these kinds of incidents, and if it goes south, the police department is likely going to get a lawsuit. So training for this is the best way. But aside from the lawsuit, we just want to make sure that everyone goes home safely. The driver of this car is the one who brought this upon himself. If you know someone who is going to get their law degree from social media, then share this video with them, because it doesn't work. You're going to end up in jail. And you saw that the game of chicken ended really quickly as soon as they attempted to breach the window. Like this video, share it with someone who can learn from this kind of stuff, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the video that's on your screen so you can see more content just like this.